Hey everybody, Khalil here from Charm City Buyers.
Hey, and I'm Kiara from Charm City Buyers.
So right about now, we're coming towards the end of the fourth quarter. You should be thinking about that. What does your next year look like? In fact, what does your next decade look like?
Yeah, it's so crazy that in only a few short weeks, 2020 will be here. It's a whole new decade, a whole new clean slate to crush your goals, right? We're talking about new year, new goals. It's like new decade. So there's so much opportunity to make sure that this next decade is so much better, so much more productive, and so much more effective than the last.
So as the weather gets a little colder and things start to slow down, what should you be doing to prepare for your next decade? Here's a few tips of the things that we're doing. Well, first, we're starting to do some strategic planning about what we want to do and what we want to see happen over the next year, 5 years, and 10 years.
Right, so setting your goals is super important. So we constantly talk about making sure you write your goals down in pen, be very specific, make sure that you're sharing your time frames in which you want to accomplish those goals. And I think it's really important to understand why, right? Why do you want to buy another house in 2020? Why is it really important that you pay off all your debt or whatever your goals may be? I think it's important to not understand what they are, but also why they're important to you.
Kiara brings up some really great points. Your financial strategy. Let's talk about that now. So whether you have a CPA or you're working through QuickBooks on your own, you should be starting to plan. In fact, you should have started to plan a while ago what your financial strategy will be going forward. Whether you want to pay off debt, whether you want to increase your savings, whether you want to increase your IRA or your 401k. There are all types of different ways to position yourself for success from a financial standpoint.
Yep, so now, especially those business owners, you should be connecting with whoever's gonna be doing your 2019 taxes, taking a look to see what you've done through the year, what your plan is through the end of the year, and what things that you need to do, what actions do you need to take to make sure you're in the best financial position from a tax perspective rolling into 2020.
And lastly, this is the most important piece of advice that we can give. Plan your fun. Make sure that you have X number of days or X number of weeks set out just for family time, for fun, for enjoyment, personal time, sharpening your saw, all of those good things that make sure that you can continue moving at the pace that you should be moving.
Make sure that you are ready for 2020. The best way to do that is to start now. Instead of waiting for January 1st, get started executing and accomplishing your goals right now so you roll right into the new decade.
For more tips, tricks, and strategies, check us out, Charm City Buyers on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and our website.